next step in the process of preparing this 2025 BMW R1300 GS is we need to take this piece off here. Once we take this piece off, this piece will come off, and then we have access to all the electronics. So there are 4 bolts, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. So I'll undo those now. The 4 bolts are now undone. And this panel should just lift out. There's a clip on the bottom here. You can see right here is a round clip that holds this piece right here. So when we put this back in, we'll connect it up. And there's also a mounting plate in there as well to hold things in place. Now that that's out, we should be able to get this piece out. So this piece, there are here 2 fuses, which look like they're held in place by a fairly simple setup. Let's see if I can lift it out. Aha! So these you squeeze, and the fuse pops out. Okay, so we've got this out. So what you see here are 2 fuse holders. These 2 fuse holders go into this right here. These 2 right here. They have a little clamp on the side. You press that and they pop out. This bracket here, this one here, which leads to the power for the luggage, it clips into this piece right here. So right here, this piece. So we'll take this, set it aside now, so it's out of harm's way. Now we have full access. So we've got access. We'll just move these leads out of the way for now. The next step in the process is to install the EZcan and various other components. We'll be routing from the EZcan to the taillights, forward to the navigation system, and forward to the Lone Rider fog lights as well. So this is the HEX Ezcan. This was shipped to me by Admore out of Calgary. Admore sells various Ezcan products in Canada. And also they sell and manufacture the tail lights that we will be adding to this motorcycle in subsequent episodes. So we'll open this up and have a look. It is sealed. This end is used to be, oh, this one's open. Fairly tight fit. So this is just wrapping. And this is the EZcan box. So this is the EZcan for the R1300 GS GSA. And this is the EZcan in the already mounted to in the rubber container. So it ships zip tied, kind of like this. And on this side you can see the zip tie. So we'll cut the zip tie. Get that out of there. So now we have our EZcan. Get rid of that packaging. So here's the actual EZcan unit. Various connectors that you can see here. And this will be mounting to the motorcycle. So we'll set it over here. Also in the EZcan are a series of other connectors and wires and some stickers, and it looks like there's no instruction book in here, so we'll go online to get the instruction book. This is a product range. We'll get that box out of here, and we'll set these over to the side for now. So this EZcan, when it's in this, this is like a polymer case to protect it. That's pretty cool. I'm thinking it's probably going to live in this spot right here. This is the connector to the CAN bus. You can see the CAN bus right here. So this is the connector to the CAN bus, so that would work out really well having this here. There's a lot of space back here. This item takes up a lot, but I'm thinking this will probably fit it right in here, no problem at all. So on the EZcan, you've got a white wire, a yellow and black wire, blue and white. We've got a red with a red and white triple connector, and an additional connector for the CAN bus. Also, our 2 extra connectors here for the battery terminals, positive and negative. So I'll get the manual going here, and we'll see how this works. There are directions available for the EZcan. The next step in installing the EZcan is we have to connect this connector to this connector. This is the connector on the GS for the alarm system. It's the alarm system module. And so we have to pop this connector off and attach it to this connector, which runs back to the EZcan. So there's a white tab here. You pop this tab up according to the directions. I've popped it up already. And this connector should slide out. Right now it seems to be very tight. So we'll review the directions again. Okay folks, basically remove the alarm system module. 2 little tabs here hold it in place. And with that I was able to access the bottom of this. And this is it's just very, very tight. So kudos to BMW for making that so tight. So now it becomes very simple. We just plug this connector into here, like so, and it snaps in. This will go back in like so, snap into place, and then the CAN bus connector will slide into this one, push the tab down, and we're in business. So there's enough slack in the system for this CAN bus selector to sit down. Just going to change a little wiring around here, so this will give us a bit more slack. Now this was going this way, but I'm planning to route this through here. And then this connector, I'd like to have it over here if at all possible. Again, these cables barely long enough for this installation. Honestly, I think this connector could have been a little longer. Would have made life a lot easier if there was an extra inch here. I could put this over here and reroute it. So I think right now the easiest way is to pop this alarm system module out again. Position this down here where it's kind of in and out of the way. And then so the module, so will it fit? On this particular bike, all the motorcycle wiring is on this side. So I think it'll fit like that. If I go like that. So the CAN bus connector is there. That's snapped back into place. I can route the wire like this, and we're fully installed. So this routes down. It's not going to be pushing on anything. Route that wire down here. So we've got a nice tight fit. So you got to pop this out to get to it. So there we go. So that's the EZcan installed. And the next step here is to connect the EZcan to the battery. This orange wire goes to the positive and this brown wire goes to the negative. That's what it shows in their connection manual. So remove the negative. You can use a screwdriver or, so this one's very tight, a 10mm socket. When working on electrical, really good idea to have a set of these latex gloves. They are insulating and they will protect you somewhat, providing there are no holes in them. All right, so the next step, we undo the negative, pop it out. There's a couple of pieces on there. Next, we undo the positive, attach the EZcan positive terminal to it, and reconnect the positive to the battery. We reconnect the positive before the negative to avoid any possibility of a short. Okay, you want to make sure that's nice and tight. Now we reconnect the negative with the EZcan negative brown wire as well. 10mm socket again. Tighten it up. So the EZcan is now hot wired to the battery. Next, looking to the manual. Okay, it says connect accessories using color coding. With the EZcan, you have several connectors: the white connector, a yellow connector, a blue connector, and a red connector. The white connector is the EZBus connector. The yellow, red, and blue connectors are for non-EZBus connections. EZBus connections allow up to 16 digital connections from items that are compatible with the EZcan EZBus system. You can purchase additional MT 3-pin splitter cables to add additional accessories to the EZcan system. The EZcan website has lots of great information on this system, so I recommend that you give it a look so that you fully understand what it can do for you. It's a great system. As mentioned, we purchased this system with our own money, so my recommendation for it is based on actual usage. We do recommend the EZcan as it is a very flexible tool. Thank you for watching, and in the next video we install the Add More light bars. Please don't forget to subscribe.